How to earn money from online. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money by providing services to clients. You can leverage your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with potential clients. It's essential to build a strong portfolio and gather positive reviews to attract more work. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to earn money. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com allow you to teach students from around the world. You can set your own schedule and work from the comfort of your home. The key is to be patient and communicate clearly to help your students succeed. All right, let's dive into affiliate marketing. It's a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. To get started, join an affiliate program, choose products that align with your audience, and promote them through your content. Remember, authenticity is key. Only recommend products you truly believe in. That way, you'll build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making a sale. Now let's talk about content creation. This is a fantastic way to share your passions and expertise while earning money. You can create blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even social media content. The key is to provide value and engage with your audience. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products and services. Consistency is crucial. Keep creating quality content and you'll see your audience grow, which translates to more income opportunities. We've covered a lot of ground today. From affiliate marketing to content creation, there are numerous ways to earn money online. Remember, the journey might be challenging at times, but persistence is key. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep going. Your hard work will pay off. So take that first step today and start your online earning journey. You've got this.